Tensions are mounting in Makonde district after war veterans of the liberation struggle have been betrayed in a land deal. Zapera mashoko kubuda panguva ino tiona kuti war veteran panguva ino vari victims a betrayal. Panguva ino tiona kuti most of the war veterans panguva ino vakarwa hondo vari kujutiwa, vari lose their land. We've seen this happening also in Masvingo. Takaona the Masvingo Mira ichirelease news again tiona kuti some of the war veterans vanobetray again my land grabs. Not but subscribe or like on the bell icon. So let's open up the news bite. Zimbabwe vanobudanyira vachiti tensions are mounting in Makonde district after more than 300 veterans of the liberation struggle claimed they were betrayed by their own colleagues in a controversial land deal. The affected veterans alleged that 3 fellow fighters secretly deregistered the Chirorodziva Heights War Veterans Housing Project Trust, which had already secured an offer letter. It replaced it with a new trust that excluded most of the original beneficiaries. The land is now reportedly being sold to private individuals, including some civil servants. Comrade Asha Kukanayes narrated his account of the unfolding dispute. Tomashoko anobuda panguva ino tiona kuti war veterans panguva ino yenyika yeZimbabwe sevamuri kuona vari depicted in the video. Tiona panguva ino varadza kushungurudzika nekujitwa kwakadai kwavari kuitwa nesome of their colleagues. Tikaona war veterans panguva ino ndozvirikonisa kuti varise. Some of the war veterans vamwe vamuri kuona vakaita sana Comrade Bomshogeza vari kuonekwa kunzi right now vatori musango vachitofaitira for the liberation of the country just because they know what they came across during the liberation war. And panguva ino tiona most of the war veterans vachibetraywa. Some of the voices amuri kuona aita sana Bomshogeza kuna Vipi Chwenga, they cannot remain silent just because they know what they fought for. And panguva ino chinonyanya kurwadza ndechekuti the people who are flaunting vari kutenderera vachijuta vachiita corruption, these are people who would not take part in the liberation war, and those who liberated the country, they are the ones vari kunzi avachisafai. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.